What's up guys, John here. So I just installed a brand new exhaust muffler for the R3. This is my old muffler right here. This thing doesn't sound that good, so I bought this on eBay for like 80 bucks. And this is gloss black and it sounds way better than the old muffler right there. I have a video of me doing a flyby with the new exhaust on YouTube without the baffle on it. You can check that video out, and I'm gonna turn this bike on with the baffle in it in a little bit and let you guys hear. The drum have exactly the same exhaust, but that thing is matte black and they don't have the baffle for it. So yeah, this thing, the baffle, I take it off, put it on the fire for like 10 or 15 minutes on each side, and then you can see like blue, red, purple, make the baffle look kind of cool. And I just changed the brake pad for the front for the R3, so I have to order a brand new like two of this bolt at the dealer for like $7. The old one, they tighten so hard when I'm trying to like take it off. The head right here is like stripped, so I have to buy a drill bit, drill it in, take it off. And the brake pad is like 40 bucks. And I'm still waiting for them to call me to so they can install a brand new panel for me. This thing still like that. It's make the bike ugly as fuck. Still waiting. Been a week now. Guess I have to keep waiting for it. And yeah, and I just ordered a gold chrome wrap for the R3. I'm gonna wrap the entire bike gold chrome. Hopefully I don't fucking mess it up. A lot of people say like chrome is super hard to like wrap and stuff, so I guess I'm gonna have to like find out by myself when the wrap arrive home. But if I can do that, I'm gonna make the entire bike chrome gold. It's gonna make the bike look cool. And I'm gonna remove the red rim tape right here. Remove that shit out. I don't like that. Both front and rear. And my exhaust for the drum is matte black. This one is gloss black. And yeah, if I wrap my bike chrome gold, I have to buy a new one. This and this brake lever and the handlebar end right here gold, make the bike look match with the wrap. And yeah, there you go. I need to wash my R3 and the drum. It's been raining for the last week, and this week it's gonna rain again, so I have to wait. I can't ride like a lot right now. Oh yeah, see how dirty that shit is when you ride in the rain. For the R3, when I ride this shit in the rain, like all the mud and stuff, like kick it up to the license plate and cover the license plate, so police pull me over and stuff, so I have to wait. You can see right there. And what's it? The drum. I just changed the oil on the drum. Take me like 15 minutes. There you go. And engine cover right here is gonna arrive sometime this week, so I'm gonna install that. It's gonna make the drum look way better, man. And since right there you see the bar right there, it's original color is like gold. I wrap it in matte black, make the bike look way better. You see that? And the sticker right here, the decal, I can't get over like this shit, man. It looks so fucking badass on the drum. See that? I might order a new seat for the ground. Take that 125 off the sticker, take it off. Order a new tire, the front and the rear, the one with the white wall on it, hopefully soon. And for the muffler right here, the end is 51 millimeter. If you want this, you can have it for free. I don't need this anymore. And this one, this is for the 100 gram. This is a low mount racing exhaust. This is the muffler for the drum. So I take that shit off. As you can see, I still have the pipe for that. I use that to install the new muffler right there. So if you want this and this, you can have it for free. I don't need that shit anymore. And yeah, there you go. I look at this shit. I barely ride my bicycle anymore since the day that I bought the motorcycle. I barely touch my bike. And I just mount a shelf over here to put like helmet and stuff. I order a brand new helmet. It's gonna arrive like sometime next week. That thing's gonna be gloss black. And I order like the red devil horn, so you can like stick it up on the helmet. Hopefully that should make the helmet look cool. So yeah, that's my bicycle wheel right there. This is for my jacket and my backpack right there. Just hang it up here when I like finish riding, so I don't have to bring up my living room stuff and painting stuff like that. I bought those shit in IKEA. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna turn the R3 in and let you hear the exhaust with the baffle on it. 1 second. I'm a fat ass, so I need my ice cream. This shit, I put M&M in it. So fucking good. Alright, here we go. So that is only at like 3,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. 7,000 RPM. Yeah, I don't want to do like too fucking loud. You know, the neighbor gonna fucking hate me and shit. So yeah. By the way, check out my video with the baffle off. I'll put it on YouTube. I do a flyby. You can hear that shit sound like kind of like the 600cc bike. Sounds so fucking good. So if I want to take this shit off, cause this baffle right here is so fucking tight, I have to like take the entire like muffler off and hammer this fucking shit in. So if I want to take this shit off, I have to take the entire muffler out and then use the hammer and to knock this shit out. So it's like take like every fucking like 20 minutes to fucking do everything, dude. And I need to figure it out how to get a new mounting right here. This shit, I found this metal piece laying around, so I just installed this shit. So this can hold the muffler. I know this shit look ugly as fuck. I need to get a new one. And yeah, that's it. And again, if anybody want this And that muffler right there, this one, the end is like 51 millimeter, and this one I have no idea what size that, but this is for the low mount racing exhaust for the 100 drum. I keep the pipe. You can have the muffler right here. I don't need that. And yeah, that's it for me right now. So when my helmet and the engine cover for the drum arrive, I'm gonna make another video and show it to you guys. Ah, shit. Back to my ice cream. All right, peace out.